What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we're gonna be doing our March Boxycharm unboxing, and you guys know since it's March, it's a good month for Boxycharm because we have our base box, we have a Boxycharm Premium, and then we have a Boxyluxe, and this is literally so heavy this month, so I am very eager to see what is inside of that Boxyluxe box. So we're gonna go through all of them today. If you guys are new to Boxycharm or new to my Boxycharm unboxings, it's basically a monthly subscription service where you can get full-size beauty products and lifestyle products sent right to your door, and there are different tiers in the boxes. So when we open the boxes, I'll go through each of the tiers and how much they cost. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button to be notified of all my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're gonna open up our base box first. $25 per month, 5 full-size products, and typically around $175 value. So let's see what we got this month and see what's inside. Okay, cute. So the little theme is Boxycharm Lucky, you know, March, St. Patrick's Day and stuff, so I love that. And it says all the products on the back. Okay, I see right on top a product that I really like. This is from Glow Recipe. This is their Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. So this is a moisturizer, and I remember trying this and it's smelling amazing, so let's open it up. I've gotten a lot of Glow Recipe products in my Boxycharm boxes actually, and I really like them. They have them at like Sephora and a couple other stores, but it's a nice skincare brand. Ooh, yeah, oh my gosh. And this smells just like banana, so good. So it's a moisturizer, it's really creamy. I'll put some on the back of my hand to show you guys. But yes, ma'am, I am a dry skin girl, so I need all that I can get. And if you guys see on my hand, it leaves the slightest little, like almost goldeny tint. Like it is yellow colored, but it just blends out and leaves the slightest tint on your skin just to kind of blur. So I feel like this would be really pretty in the morning before you go ahead and do your makeup and stuff. So that's really, really nice. And the value on this is $39. Ooh, okay, up next I see the Cab lip oil. So I am a Bravo / Real Housewives like super fan. So I love this. Cab is Kim Zolciak's brand with her daughters, Brielle and Ariana, and I have not tried their lip oil. I got a liquid lipstick from them that I actually really liked. So I'm excited to try this out. Super cute packaging. And it says that it's a hydrating lip oil supposed to give a juicy, hydrated lips. And the retail value on this is $20. The shade I got is Rum Punch. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this on my lips. I feel like this is really cool that this is in Boxycharm. Ooh, ooh. Oh, it smells like a pina colada or something. Oh, that's what I need. Wow, and it's really, really juicy, like, and glossy. I actually like that a lot. Okay, this is really nice. I feel like it looks really pretty. So you could use it just to nourish your lips or maybe on top of a lipstick like I just did, because it's very pretty and it's supposed to be long lasting, it says on here. So that's cool. Ooh, up next we have the Beauty Crop Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask. Yes, I love eye masks. I feel like it's such a neglected area because I feel like when you do face masks, you never put it like underneath your eyes, so then your under eyes are just really never getting anything besides if you put like an eye cream on them. So love this. I like to do like little eye masks, and then I'll do a face mask and just completely nourish my skin. Your under eye area is like so important. So they're supposed to be like hydrating eye masks. It says that they're gonna plump and nourish the under eyes, and you get 3 pairs. And the retail value on this is $18. Up next, we have the Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. I feel like I've heard about Maven Beauty, but I can't remember where or why. This is the first product I've ever gotten from them though. So I'm excited to try it. So it's a setting spray, it says. I feel like I'm scared because it says rose that it's gonna be like overly scented, but let's see. It does say to shake it up, and we're gonna test this out. The value on this is $22. Do a little test spritz. Okay, I feel like that might be a little aggressive for the face. Let's see. Oh, okay. Actually not aggressive at all. It was like a light mist that spritzed my face nice. It does smell like roses, but it's not like crazy overly scented like some setting sprays can be. So a rose scent, but nothing crazy. So I actually really like that. I was a little nervous because sometimes when setting sprays are too scented, I'm just like, oh heck no, but that one was nice. And then last but certainly not least, we have this Lime Crime Venus 3. Is this an eyeshadow palette? I don't know, let's see. Oh, yes, okay, pretty. It's like a bunch of purpley shades, like a bunch of different lavenders and purple. We have some matte shades like this one, and then is this one more shimmery? Yeah, that's pretty. Let's do one of these and see. Very pretty. I feel like this kind of reminds me of like Easter and stuff, so that's super cute coming up this spring. And the value on this is $38. Okay, so let's add up the values of everything in this box. So we have $38 for the Lime Crime palette. We have $39 for the Glow Recipe moisturizer, $22 for the setting spray, $20 for the lip oil, and then $18 for the under eye patches, making a total of $137 value, again for $25. So that was a pretty good base box. Now let's see what we got in our premium box. I feel like the premium box feels light, and then my Boxyluxe feels so heavy, so I'm definitely interested to see what I got in both. So Boxy Premium is an additional $10 per month, so it's $35 a month. You're guaranteed 6 full-size beauty products and an average value of $215. So let's see what is inside here. Ooh! Oh, wow, okay. There's actually a lot of really nice stuff. So first thing I see right on top is this Hangover RX Good to Go moisturizer. So this is from Too Faced. I feel like I did not try this. Like the moisturizer, like I've obviously tried the primer and stuff, and I've tried some other ones of their skincare line, but I don't think I ever tried this one. So it says it's hydrating and lightweight, and the retail value on this is $35. Let me squeeze out some on my hand. We are gonna be nice and moisturized between this and the Glow Recipe Moisturizer. There's what it looks like. Does it have a scent? Nice, like light kind of scent. I feel like there's other Too Faced products that have that same scent, and then it just glides on to the skin. It does feel very nice. So that is really cool. Up next, I see Tarte. Another one of my favorite brands. We have their Big Ego mascara. This is a really nice volumizing mascara. I love the packaging on this one. It is like bright pink, like so. I actually have a bunch of these mascaras, so I would love to give this away to one of you guys. So just comment down below what you're most excited for in the month of March. So just let me know down below what you're most excited for about March and a way to get in contact with you, and then I'll just randomly pick one of you and send this out to you because I have a bunch of this mascara, so I'd love to give it to one of you guys who could get better use. And the retail value on this is $23. Then we have Haus Labs. So this is Lady Gaga's makeup line, and I feel like this makeup line is so underrated. Her lip products I love. I think this is an eyeliner. Oh no, it's a lip liner. Oh, okay, I actually love these. What shade is this? Rule. Okay, so I don't have this shade, but when she first launched her makeup brand, I put in like a big order and I got a bunch of her lip liners and really liked them. So this one looks like it's like a nude. Do it on my hand there. Ooh, that's really pretty. Actually goes nice with the lip that I'm wearing right now. So let's put a little bit of it on. With the lip oil, it may be a little hard. It's gonna be a little slippery, but we'll try our best. Oh yeah, it's still working, but these are actually really nice and really long lasting, so definitely excited about this. I feel like her brand deserves more hype because I actually think it's really nice. The retail value on this is $16. Then we have this Beauty Diva London Diva eye brush set. Okay. All right, so we got a set of 4 little eye brushes in there, and the value on this is $48. They're cruelty free. Then we have this Glow Skin Beauty Beta Clarity BHA drops. I love BHA for my skin, so that's super cool. It says salicylic acid plus retinol clarifying serum. Honey, I need all of that I can get. My skin has been out of control, so this is right up my alley and a serum that I think my skin would really like. Salicylic acid on acne for me has worked really well, so excited to test this out. The value on this is $48. And then last but not least, we have this Kiss 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 from the brand Rowan. Oh, liquid lip balm. Okay, let's see. Ooh, beautiful. Wow, so many shades that go like with the same color that I'm wearing today. This is really pretty and would go really nicely with that liquid lipstick too. So I'll swatch this on my hand for you guys. So I'll do a little swatch on my hand so you guys can see. So it's more of like a lip balm. So like a lighter coverage, just a nice little wash of color. So that's really pretty. I've never tried this brand. That's something that I actually like about Boxycharm is I'll get to try new brands in the box that I haven't tried before, I've never heard of or whatever. And I found some brands that I've actually really liked across the years. So the value on that is $26. So let's add up the value of everything for the premium box. Okay, so we have the Too Faced moisturizer, $35, $48 for the skincare, $26 for the lip balm, $48 for the eye brushes, $23 for the Tarte mascara, and then $16 for the Haus Labs lip liner for a total of $196. All right, so that was Boxy Premium. Now, honey, I am ready to finally get to dig in to Boxyluxe and see what is making this dang box so heavy. So Boxyluxe is a quarterly box, so it's not available every month, it's available 4 times per year. You're guaranteed 8 full-size products for an additional $24.99 quarterly and an average value of $365. So let's see what's inside. Ooh, okay, so I see this like, I don't know if this is a palette or what it is, but it says Barbarella. Why can I not pronounce that? I don't know why, but it looks really cute. I like the little neon looking print. I think it's an eyeshadow palette. Ooh, This is actually really pretty. Okay. So mostly neutral palette, but love this pop of blue. That's so pretty. Mix of mattes and shimmers that look really pretty. I've never heard of this brand, but this looks like a super cute palette. You get a nice mirror and stuff. I like it. And there are 20 different shades in here. And the value on that is $50. Ooh, okay, so excited about this. So we got the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and I got shade 235, which is my shade. This is super exciting. I love Fenty and love her products, and I love to see that they're in Boxycharm, so you guys can try them too if you have not already. So that's super cool, and the value on this is $36. Then we have another Glow Recipe product. This is their Plum Plump. That's a tongue twister. Hyaluronic serum. Ooh, yes, love hyaluronic acid. So this is a serum from Glow Recipe. So let me open this up. Such cute packaging. And I can literally smell this like through the packaging. Oh my gosh, okay, let's open this. Do a little dropper on the hand there. Ooh. Smells really nice. And just a nice serum for your skin. So we got moisturizers, we got serums. We are covered on the skincare front. Let me know what you guys think about skincare like in your products. Do you like getting the skincare? Would you prefer to just get makeup? I love skincare. I feel like this past year I've gotten a lot more into skincare. So I do enjoy getting skincare in my boxes, but I would love to hear your guys' thoughts. Wow, this is really, like, my hand feels so moisturized and nice because I put both of those moisturizers and now this on there. It feels really good. So the value on that is $42. Then we have this rose quartz hair mask. That's exciting. I haven't gotten a lot of hair products, so that's really cool. And I can always use a hair mask. I'm not sure, is the brand rose quartz or does it say? Let's look on here. Yeah, so that is the brand rose quartz. So I've never tried anything from them. So excited to test this out. And it's sulfate free, vegan, and cruelty free, which is really nice, and made in the USA. So that's awesome. And the retail value on this is $31. Then we have this Kiss the Stars 24 karat gold lip plumping mask. Forget lip filler, honey. You just need this lip plumping mask. Okay, that's kind of cool. And it's like literally a gold glitter. I need to try this out tonight and see. You just apply it to makeup free lips and then leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. And it's supposed to like plump your lips. That's definitely super interesting. I've never seen anything like that. So the value on this is $42. Dang. And it's supposed to plump, moisturize, and nourish your lips. Then I see this Soleil mini heat brush. Oh wait, this is really cute. I was actually looking for something like this the other day that you can just bring with you like on the go. Because sometimes my hair gets like a little crazy. And this is actually really cute. Like I'm not gonna bring like a Dyson around with me. So it's just like a little tiny heat brush. You can plug it in and then, you know, if you need to smooth out your hair, whatever, it's going crazy and you're out, you can use this. So this is really cute. And also for when we can like travel and stuff, this would be great. So then you don't have to bring like a full size product. So that's really cool. I love when I get like hot tools. It's been a while since I've gotten one in my Boxycharm. The value on this is $150. Dang, okay, so this was a good value to get this in this box. So that's awesome. Then we have Dominique Cosmetics Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner. So Dominique Cosmetics is Kristen Dominique. She's a fellow YouTuber. It's her makeup line, and this is her lip liner, which I have never tried, but it looks like it's a pretty nude. The shade on this is Crush. So I'll do a little swatch on my hand to see. Ooh, very pretty. Swatch it right there so you guys can see. I got a lot of lip products that are all like the same color that I'm wearing today, which is perfect because that's the lip color that I like. So it works for me. So love that. And the value on that is $18. And then last but certainly not least, we got something from Beauty Bakery. I've actually really been wanting to try some of their products. So this is cool. What is this? This is like so cute. Like the packaging looks adorable. Looks like a little carton of eggs. It says blending eggs. Oh my gosh, wait, so are these like little blenders? Hang on, let me open this. Oh my gosh. This is the cutest thing. This packaging is like so cute. Like why have no, like I've never seen a brand do something like this with little beauty sponges, and this is like adorable. So there's 6 beauty sponges, so you are gonna be set. So we got 3 pink and then 3 green. This is so cute. Is there a difference between the pink and the green? Let me see if it says on here. No, I don't think so. I think it's just color. That's really cute, and it says the value on this is $18. I love that. That's adorable. Packaging goals on that. Okay, so that is everything in my Boxyluxe. So let's go ahead and add up the values of all of that. So on the eyeshadow palette, it's $50. Then we have $42 for the Glow Recipe Serum, $36 for the Fenty Foundation, $31 for the hair mask, $150 for the heat tool, $18 for the Beauty Bakery little beauty sponges, $18 for the Dominique Cosmetics lip liner, and then $42 for the lip mask for a total of $387. Dang. All right, you guys, so those are all of the boxes. Definitely let me know down below, what do you guys think? Did you guys get your boxes already this month? Let me know down below what you got if you did. As always, there'll be a link to Boxycharm in my description box for you guys to check it out if you're interested. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.